Hey guys, work with Sonance here, back to another video. In this video, we're gonna make the selected kind of style chords. So normally we make drops. Normally we make sounds for the Normally we make sounds for the drop, but this time we're gonna make sounds for the breakdown. So the final result will sound like this. So now we're gonna dive into the chords. If you want to know how the bass line is made, make sure to let me know in the comments, then we'll do a video about that as well. So if you want this preset and fits more other presets in the style selected, make sure to check the link down below. You will find our preset pack with all the presets you need to make this kind of music. So now let's dive into the chords. Sounding like this. So selecting the preset, go for the sine wave for oscillator A and the sawtooth square for oscillator B. As you can hear, these wavetables are quite metal wavetables, so we'll give that warm feel to the chords. So put up an octave for oscillator B, wavetable around here. It's gonna go for 8 unisons and a bit of detune. Then we're gonna go for the PWM for both oscillators. So we'll shift the wavetable to the left. As you can hear, this will add some more harmonics to the sound. So we're gonna shape envelope 2. Like this. And route it to the modulation. A bit too much right now, so shape it like this. Then we're gonna add a filter. We're gonna go for the low 80. Cut off around here. Give it some more attack. Just like this. Some drive, some flatness. Then we're gonna go for the noise and go for wind chimes. Over here. And route envelope 2 to the level. Just like this. And that's it for the oscillator, so now let's dive into effects. First of all, we have the chorus with a mix around here. Then we're gonna add some delay. Leave the mix fairly high. Same for the reverb with the low cut. And then the last thing we're gonna do is add some EQ. And we're gonna dip the highest bit. Something like this. So get some more movement to the sound as well. And that's already it for the chords. So if you like the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see y'all in the next videos.